everyone and welcome to Mon-Ara. Today we are making a fruit mix face mask or body mask. I have bananas, pineapple, lemon, and I'm adding a little bit of tangerine and mint leaves. You can use whatever fruits you have. Once you get your fruits together, you want to make sure to blend them into a puree. You can use a stick blender to blend this, or you can use a food processor. After blending, make sure to strain your fruit puree or your fruit mix. Now you're left with smooth fruit pulp or fruit mix. This is the fruit mix we're going to add to our Bentonite clay. I'm using Bentonite clay, but you can use whatever clay you have on hand. Now, Bentonite clay is good for detoxing, and you can use it on different parts of your body, not just your face. You can use it as an armpit detox or foot detox. Now you mix that, there is no particular measurement, just mix it until you have a paste like so. Optional is to add fragrance, but I found out that my fruit blend smelled nicely already and I didn't need to do that. Next, we're going to apply to clean skin.
Don't forget to store your mask in the refrigerator. You can use this for the next 3 days, okay? Or you can save it for at least 5 days. I would recommend 3 days. If you want to use the most out of your mask, you may as well not just use it on your face. You can use it for your armpits, for your arms, for your legs. You can use it all over your body. Just put it and let it dry, and then you can rinse it off. So this is actually starting to dry, and I might not be able to talk when it dries, but do not forget to rinse, wash it up, and moisturize your face after this mask. Okay?
So this is what it looks like 10 minutes later and 20 minutes later. So bonus tip, you want to use your toner. That is a DIY toner I made. Next, you want to use your favorite oil of choice, or butter. I love tomato oil. It's one of my favorites, as well as shea butter. Make sure to pat it on your face and massage it as well. Give yourself some facial massage. Yep, and there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.